Hello and welcome to Quick Tips 2. Today I'll be unboxing, testing and reviewing the WaveBlend Kids Headphones with cord. Hopefully my video will give you the information you need about this product. Let's take a closer look at the headphones. They feature a fun and stylish design, making them appealing to kids. They come in two vibrant colour options, green and purple or pink and purple. These are the pink and purple option. Weighing approximately 136 grams, these headphones are lightweight, ensuring all-day comfort without pressure. They have an adjustable headband designed to fit children aged 2 to 12 years. I've tested them on kids aged 5 to 10 and they fit comfortably. For added comfort, they include a soft cushioned headband to reduce strain on the head and cosy soft ear cushions for a snug fit. Additionally, these headphones are foldable, making them easy to store in backpacks, perfect for school and travel. They use a standard 3.5mm jack, allowing compatibility with tablets, laptops, Chromebooks and other supported devices. Now let's go over the controls. You have the volume control, allowing you to adjust between 94 decibels and 85 decibels for safe listening. Above it, you have the built-in microphone, ideal for phone calls and online learning. And above that, you have a multifunctional button which can be used to play or pause songs. The same button can also be used to answer, reject or hang up phone calls. Overall, these are excellent over-ear design headphones. Their design makes them fun for kids and they don't need batteries to operate. They have great sound quality, making them good for listening to songs and watching movies. Also, the buttons on the headphones are very easy to use. They also have a built-in microphone which can be useful for remote learning. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below the video. With Quick Tips 2, knowledge has no limits.